Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a pretty decent day, if you understand the context. Although the past 2 days have been kind of iffy, right? Here and even today, right? So we're just building liquidity. So we're really not in straight confirmation yet, right? We are testing to see if we reject the 5 day right here, complete the head, right? Then tomorrow if we form the right shoulder, um, and complete an inverse cup right here, right? So that's what we have to look out for, and then use the 20 day as some sort of resistance, right? Uh, but yeah, so that's what we're looking out for if the head does form, and tomorrow we open lower, right? Or if we're gonna have the bounce from here, right? Today we actually had pretty good bounce with this left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, with this bullish engulfing candle, right? And then another left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, giving us that test of the 5 day. Um, However, you saw that we kind of rejected 5 day um, at the end of the day and the day overall, right? So pretty good day. If you saw the engulfing candle right here, took that trade all the way up to 5 day, right? Then you saw the rejection of 5 day, then the market building more liquidity, and then the final push up again testing 5 day, but we were unable to push up, right? So pretty good trades there. And I'm gonna show you that intraday. But I did kind of clean up my charts for you guys so you guys understand, right? But again, what I'm starting to say is, if you form that head here, the left shoulder here, right shoulder somehow right here, right? Um, and complete this inverse cup right here, right? And another micro left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then target purple, which is gonna be the support right here, right? So we need to focus on purple. So if we go from here, 590, the target would be 585, 586. So we have a good drop coming. So look out for that tomorrow. If actually it shouldn't be tomorrow. I don't think it would be tomorrow. It would be either Thursday or Friday, right? So look out for that. But again, if you're headed up as well, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, and then you could also wait for the um, full cup to close, right? Then take it off of here, right? Then push up, right? Um, right. So look out for that. Now let me show you intraday. Okay, intraday. So like I said, the engulfing candle, right? So it was kind of pretty great move right here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, right? And then we retested yellow again here. Another great uh, head and shoulder right there, inverse head and shoulder. And then we had that pretty good strong continuation up um, right here, right? This green buying right here. And then you can see that we were also in this orange as well overall, right? Um, so that was a pretty good trade till 5 day, right? And then you can see that we started rejecting 5 day right here. Right, right. Rejection of 5 day, right? So either when we start rejecting like this, right, the market always wants to build out liquidity, and taking it from here, it's kind of riskier, right? You want to wait for some sort of structure where the 5 days is a support, right, and the bounce, right? But then you can see that we're rejecting at teal right here, right? So rejected right here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? The market's building liquidity. You can't be full short here, right? Because you have to understand that we are still pretty bullish, right? uh, the market could just be building liquidity to retest 5 day, which is exactly what happened. And so left shoulder here, head, and then the right shoulder right here, and testing 5 day again, right? And then you can see that again we kind of rejected 5 day, um, forming a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then at the end of the day we kind of broke down, right? But we just ran out of time. So you have to be careful here. And trade with structured demands. And today, your take profit really should have been near the 5 day. And if we were to see continuation, how it would have happened is exactly left shoulder, head, some type of cup right here, like right, and inverse head and shoulder, and then that would have caused us to push higher, right? But we just didn't see that. The market did try to build liquidity again here, right? But as you can see that you just like the continuation, right? Especially with the yellow, right? This should have been yellow. Okay, so yeah, So pretty simple, pretty easy. The yellow was the tapering algo for the day. Resistance, for example, that means resistance, yeah. So you just have to pay attention for that and just take it at a good risk to reward, right? This trade, the second trade right here was amazing, right? Because we had a um, left shoulder head, and then on this head, you noticed that we had a pretty good engulfing candle right here. Um, right here. So pretty good safe trade right here, especially if you understood the concept in the 30-minute, right? You can see straight off of purple, right? Second trade right here, and then all the way back up, right? So engulfing candle here, engulfing candle right here. So pretty good confirmations right there, all the way to take it up again to 5-day, right? So all you have to do is pay attention to both the 30-minute and the 1 minute, and then you really could have made that trade happen. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. But again, as I said, to be confirmed short, right, you need to wait for the inverse cup to close, right? Left shoulder head, right shoulder, and then keep pushing up. Use the 20-day as some sort of resistance, right? And push down, right, to at least the purple, right? So yeah, pay attention to that. Look out for that. And again, same thing right here. Let the inverse cup close, right? Left shoulder head, right shoulder, right? Then take it down, right? So you have to pay attention, and then if you're also headed up, um, you can't have a pretty short bias already, right? Especially if the inverse cup hasn't closed yet and the 20-day hasn't been in resistance. When you want to be fully short is when the 5-day crosses below the 20-day, right? And that's more of a confirmed short with the also 5-day crossing below 20-day and then having some sort of test at 5-day price and then pushing down, right? So that's what you want to pay attention for. We're still in a choppy range. This can be defined as a range, right? So don't overtrade here. You're gonna get caught. Especially if you're having some sort of bias. Don't have a bias, right? Let the structure market reveal itself, right? We could easily go up from here as well, right? So be careful. And yeah, trade and structure demands. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. And I'm pretty sick, so that's why you didn't get a video on Monday. I'm pretty sick right now. I don't know if you guys hear my voice. But yeah, I will try to make a video. I mean, I feel pretty good, but again, yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.